Hi everyone, it's Miss McGovern here, and I wanted to show you one of the websites that we shared on our Google Classroom in the 3-5 enrichment. I don't know if too many people have visited it, so I'm just going to show you here. We are in our Google Classroom. We're going to open up enrichment material. We are going to scroll down just a little bit until you see the wide open school. We're going to register as a family, again, because I'm kind of pretending to be you, sitting at home with your family. We're going to go pre-K 5, give it another click. And one of the things I think is most helpful as we started this was we clicked on a daily schedule. Now let's say I'm a 4th grader. I'm going to click the 3 through 5 tab. I'm going to scroll down here just a bit. Notice how it has some opportunities for your morning. You want to go into Vocabulary Spelling City? Great, go in there. There's great activities to do, kind of a word study. There's all sorts of games. You can download that on your phone as well. Rube Goldberg machines? Great way, as long as you've got space and stuff. You want to practice your typing? Go ahead. But those are just 3 opportunities of things to do in the morning. We go on a midday. There's always an activity. Getting into your afternoon, you've got some movement options with Go Noodle. A lot of you kids have used that before. You've got a fraction game to play for a math option, and then Carmen Sandiego. A little bit of social studies there. It goes it goes onto an evening opportunity for playing charades with people in your home. Here's a new book from Common Sense Media. Or just a suggestion for some reading and writing. Again, this is just a possible day in the life of a student who's at home. Anyway, try this website. Again, you can always pick lots of opportunities here. If you want to just focus on math or movement, maybe you want to take a field trip. Again, there are so many options here, both online and offline. So if you do choose to go there, I would love for you to share with our class what you did. Going back to our enrichment tab in our Google Classroom, go to Flipgrid. Log in with your school Google account. Make a quick video. Share with our group what you made. Again, I'm Miss McGovern, and I can't wait to see and hear from all of you. Bye.